Good day, Nebraska. Nice SVR.
The National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Whole County in north central Nebraska until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Hage or 8 miles east of O'Neill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Page and Opportunity. This includes Highway 20 between mile markers 312 and 313. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Hold, Nebraska.